What if I told you that by adding just one simple, inexpensive food to your dinner, you could reclaim the strength of your 60s in just 4 weeks? It might sound unbelievable, but this is scientifically proven, and it's a fact many of my patients have experienced firsthand. Do you ever find it harder and harder to get out of bed in the morning? Do you feel sluggish even after eating enough eggs, meat, and fish? Are your knees creaking, your calves stiffening, and does even standing feel tiring? Most people accept this as normal aging, but the truth is different. Our bodies are complex machines, and muscles are their engines. When these engines weaken, everything declines, from movement and balance to even heart and lung function. And if you believe that common protein foods alone can maintain your muscles, you might be making the same mistake that 94% of seniors make every day, quietly losing their strength, their independence, and their ability to stay active. Once muscle mass starts to decrease, rebuilding it becomes tough. It's like trying to refill a dried-up riverbed. Most people only realize it when it's too late, when climbing stairs feels impossible or walking turns into pain. The good news? This process can be naturally reversed, not with medications, but through a few small, consistent dietary changes. Studies show that among simple, affordable foods, some can restore muscle faster and more effectively than eggs. I'm Dr. James Hart. I'm a medical professional who's worked in major hospitals for over 30 years. I've seen 80-year-olds who walk 5 kilometers daily and 60-year-olds who are already reliant on walkers. The difference was never age. It always depended on how they nourished their muscles every single day. In this video, you'll learn why muscles weaken as we age, the real reason strength declines even with sufficient protein intake, and 10 everyday foods scientifically proven to naturally and safely rebuild muscle. If you watch until the end, you'll discover how a few simple, natural choices can protect your body without expensive supplements or medications. Now let's explore 10 powerful everyday foods scientifically proven to restore muscle faster than eggs. Applying these consistently, you'll feel a more stable gait, firmer balance, and revitalized strength within 4 weeks. As I delved deeper into muscle weakness in older adults, one crucial fact became clear to me. We aren't just eating enough, we need to eat in the right way. A body over 60 works completely differently than it did in its youth. Its ability to absorb, synthesize, and utilize protein significantly decreases. This is why foods once considered perfect, like eggs, red meat, and milk, no longer have the same effect. This is precisely why many people, despite eating enough, find their bodies weakening and losing strength year after year. Ricotta cheese, the secret to overnight recovery. The first food I want to introduce is ricotta cheese. This soft white fresh cheese is actually a secret weapon for aiding muscle recovery while you sleep. Ricotta cheese contains a special protein called casein. This protein digests very slowly, allowing your body to receive a steady supply of muscle nutrients over a long period, especially overnight. Unlike egg protein, which absorbs quickly and is soon used up, casein provides a sustained energy source, constantly assisting muscle recovery. While we sleep, our bodies work to repair and rebuild muscle fibers. Casein is the golden ingredient needed for that very process. Scientific evidence backs this up. Studies on older adults show that consuming casein at night significantly increases muscle protein synthesis during sleep. Furthermore, ricotta cheese is rich in calcium and phosphorus, which helps strengthen bone density and reduce the risk of fractures from falls. In my clinical experience, consuming about 20 to 25 grams of slow-digesting protein in the evening can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle strength within 4 to 6 weeks without expensive supplements. Tofu, plant-based white gold. If cheese isn't your thing, don't worry. There's another excellent option, particularly beneficial for seniors. It's tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein, but it's a complete protein containing all the essential amino acids your body needs. This is quite rare for plant foods. What's more, soybeans contain isoflavones, These compounds help balance female hormones and prevent muscle and bone weakening caused by the sharp drop in estrogen after menopause. Isoflavones act as a natural buffer, gently maintaining the body's balance without the side effects of synthetic hormone therapy. This is no coincidence. Numerous studies in Japan and Korea show that a diet rich in soy protein helps maintain muscle mass, reduce body fat, and improve bone health in older adults. Also, tofu is easy to cook. You can steam it, lightly grill it, or add it to salads, and it's very affordable. That's why I call tofu a natural tonic you can eat every week. If you're still watching, let me know by leaving "still watching" in the comments below. Chickpeas, a sustainable energy source. The third food I want to mention is chickpeas. You've probably seen them in salads or vegetarian dishes. These yellow, round legumes provide about 15 grams of protein in just one small bowl and are rich in minerals essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, such as magnesium, zinc, folate, and boron. Not only that, chickpeas also contain abundant complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy without rapidly spiking blood sugar. So, instead of providing explosive short-term energy, they offer lasting stamina that helps you stay vital throughout the day. There's a good reason for this. Chickpea protein aids muscle maintenance, and its rich fiber content helps digestion and enhances nutrient absorption. A study published in the journal Nutrients showed that older adults who consumed chickpeas and other legumes at least 3 times a week had significantly better muscle endurance and balance compared to those who consumed a lot of refined carbohydrates. This perfect combination of protein, fiber, and minerals makes chickpeas a smart energy food. Canned sardines, the golden trio for health. And the final food I want to talk about today was canned sardines, small fish, but with surprising power. A single can of sardines provides over 20 grams of complete protein and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. These 3 ingredients are the golden trio for senior health. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, promotes muscle protein synthesis, improves blood circulation, and accelerates recovery. Vitamin D aids calcium absorption and contributes to preventing osteoporosis. This nutrient is particularly essential for seniors over 70 in countries like Australia, who may get less sunlight and spend more time indoors. Canned sardines are inexpensive, readily available, require almost no cooking, and store for a long time. This truly makes them a wonderful choice for seniors living alone. Ricotta cheese, tofu, chickpeas, and sardines. These 4 foods are your muscle's best friends. They're not expensive or fancy, but they possess scientifically proven power. Simply by combining them appropriately, your body will gradually regain its former energy and stability. In the next section, I'll introduce foods that many people don't expect, yet are even more powerful, helping you build new muscle even after 75. Something once considered medically impossible. Many people ask me, "Doctor, can I still build new muscle after 70?" I always smile and reply, "Absolutely." The human body is far more mysterious than we imagine. Provided with the right ingredients and managed appropriately, you can rebuild muscle even at 80. And this isn't just theory. I've witnessed these transformations firsthand. Patients who once struggled to walk normally were able to stand, walk, and smile at life again with just a few months of dietary changes. One excellent ingredient in this process is millet, a forgotten nutritional treasure. Millet is a traditional grain cherished by our ancestors. Many people mistakenly think of millet as just birdseed, but it's actually a forgotten nutritional treasure. A bowl of cooked millet provides about 6 grams of high-quality plant protein, along with abundant magnesium, iron, and dietary fiber. These minerals improve blood circulation, deliver oxygen to muscles, and help maintain stable energy throughout the day. Unlike white rice, millet has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't spike blood sugar rapidly. Therefore, it's particularly suitable for seniors with diabetes or muscle weakness due to metabolic disorders. Millet provides sustained energy, and magnesium relaxes muscles, reducing night cramps and spasms. Several recent Australian studies have reported that diets including millet reduce fatigue in older adults, increase muscle endurance, and improve natural nutrient absorption. Clams, power from the sea. Another food that deeply impresses me is clams. They might seem ordinary, but they're surprisingly rich in protein and minerals. In just one small serving, clams provide over 18 grams of complete protein, along with abundant vitamin B12, zinc, and taurine. Taurine in particular is a special amino acid that prevents the degeneration of muscle fibers and improves signal transmission between the brain and muscles, making muscle responses sharper. When working in the hospital, I often recommended clam soup with plenty of vegetables once a week to patients with weak limbs. Notably, clams also help maintain tendon and joint health. Older adults don't just lose muscle, the elasticity of the connective tissues supporting their joints also decreases. The zinc and omega-3 abundant in clams aid collagen regeneration and strengthen the body's overall connectivity. You could say it's a delicious natural medicine good for bones and joints too. Seaweed, elixir of the ocean. If you're not a fan of seafood, no problem at all. There's an easily consumable, yet surprisingly effective alternative. It's seaweed. A thin sheet of seaweed contains abundant protein, iodine, magnesium, and vitamin C, which aid rapid muscle cell recovery and possess antioxidant properties. Research published in the journal Marine Drugs indicates that seaweed contains bioactive peptides, which can be absorbed faster even in older adults with weaker digestive systems, contributing to muscle synthesis. There's clear scientific basis for this. The iodine in seaweed helps balance thyroid function, and the thyroid regulates our body's energy metabolism. When the thyroid is healthy, energy utilization becomes more efficient, and muscles receive better nourishment. Spirulina, the 21st century superfood. Next up is spirulina, a blue-green algae from nature, hailed as a 21st century superfood. Spirulina has a very high protein content, over 60%, and is rich in iron and B vitamins. It also contains a powerful antioxidant called phycocyanin, which reduces inflammation, improves blood circulation, and boosts energy production efficiency. Australian studies have also confirmed that spirulina improves endurance and oxygen uptake capacity in older adults. This is crucial for preventing sarcopenia and chronic fatigue. Spirulina not only nourishes muscles, but also helps maintain stable blood sugar after meals, reducing post-meal energy slumps. It's like clean fuel, helping your body run smoother and quieter, much like changing the oil in an old car. Tiger nuts, sweet tubers for better circulation. Following that are tiger nuts. Despite the name, they're actually sweet and crunchy root tubers. While still unfamiliar in some regions, they're garnering significant academic interest. Tiger nuts are rich in arginine, which helps the body produce nitric oxide, NO. This expands blood vessels, improves blood flow, and increases oxygen delivery to muscles. This is very important, as impaired circulatory function in older adults is a major cause of muscle fatigue and weakness. They're also rich in magnesium and potassium, which help reduce night leg cramps and support regular muscle contractions. TEF, how to get started. You don't need to eat everything all at once. The key lies in balance and consistency. Our bodies don't need a lot. It's just about repeating the right foods every day. Start your morning with millet or teff porridge, and add a spoonful of milk powder or a little ricotta cheese for slow-digesting protein. For lunch, choose grilled tofu or a chickpea salad with sesame oil. Add a sheet of seaweed for minerals and thyroid health. In the evening, half a bowl of ricotta cheese or a glass of soy milk will aid muscle recovery while you sleep. If you enjoy seafood, indulge in sardines or clam soup twice a week. And when you crave a snack, a handful of tiger nuts will boost circulation and ease night cramps. Nutrition is just the beginning. Habits complete this process. Take 20 minutes each day to walk or stretch. Combined with this diet, you'll see results within 3 to 4 weeks. Stronger muscles, better blood flow, and deeper sleep. Most importantly, you'll regain confidence in your body. In Australia, we call this self-reliant health. The true power of older age comes from independence, the ability to stand, walk, cook for yourself, and smile at yourself. Muscles are like loyal mates. Neglect them and they'll drift away. Look after them and they'll protect you for a lifetime. I've witnessed countless recovery stories. Patients who once relied on walkers now climb stairs. People who couldn't walk now stroll through the park with their grandkids. Their first question was always, "Can I really do it?" And the answer was always, "Yes, you can." If you're hearing this right now, you've already taken the first step towards change. It's never too late. Whether you're 60, 70, or 80, your body still has the power to recover. Science proves that adding a little more high-quality protein, staying lightly active, and getting enough sleep can build new muscle, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falls by up to 40%. It's not just about better health, it's the freedom to live life on your own terms. Working as a doctor for 30 years, I've learned that the human spirit can heal beyond expectation. When you truly believe, "I will get better," half the recovery is already done. The rest is up to time and science. Start today. One meal, one step, one habit. Just add one of these foods: tofu at lunch, seaweed at dinner, a few tiger nuts before bed. Small choices, when repeated daily, create miraculous changes. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Taking the time to understand your body. That alone is already a powerful step towards health. If you found this message helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll continue to share practical medical knowledge to help you live a healthier, stronger, and more meaningful life. Before you go, I want to say thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so we can keep sharing together. If you need a personalized diet combination or more detailed advice, please leave the number 1 in the comments section. I'll read them myself and try to answer as many of you as I can. In Australia, we have a saying, "Look after your body, and your body will look after you." This saying applies to everyone, regardless of age. Love yourself, take care of your health, and believe you still deserve a vibrant and free life. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I'm Dr. James Hart. I always believe this: the true strength of older age isn't in the years gone by, but in every autonomous step you take today. I wish you always good health and peace, and I encourage you to live every day actively and confidently. To conclude, I want to offer a word of caution out of a caring heart. Please consider the information in this video as a tool to aid your health journey and not as a replacement for professional medical advice. Your GP is your most important companion, so always consult with them before making any changes. Everyone's journey is unique. Thank you sincerely for your time and trust.